Do you even calculate how much you spend by going to mechanics for your car maintenance? So, we thought of making a list of the coolest car tools for you. Maybe some of them will help you to save some cash on your car. Ever struggled with stubborn bearings while working on your car? Maybe you need this SKF EasyPull bearing puller, because this tool is designed to make your job safer and easier. Its spring-operated arms allow you to position it behind the component with just one quick movement, eliminating the hassle of manual adjustments. The unique red ring opening mechanism ensures smooth operation, while the sturdy build allows it to remove parts even in tight spaces. With self-locking arms, there's no risk of slipping under load, giving you better control and safety. The double hexagonal heads make it easier to apply force, reducing effort during dismounting. Plus, its self-centering design and nose piece help protect the shaft from damage, so you don't have to worry about costly repairs. Tired of dealing with air hoses and bulky pneumatic tools while fixing tires? The Milwaukee M12 low-speed tire buffer gives you the power and control you need without the hassle of cords or compressors. Its power-state brushless motor delivers the performance of traditional air tools, but in a compact cordless design that's perfect for professional tire technicians. Whether you're repairing a passenger car, light truck, or commercial vehicle, this buffer makes the job easy. The two-mode drive control helps prevent costly mistakes by giving you a dedicated buffing and drilling mode for consistent, high-quality repairs. Plus, with a single M12 red lithium battery, you can complete up to 30 flat tire repairs before needing a recharge. No more dealing with tangled hoses. Just grab it, get to work, and enjoy faster, more efficient repairs with total mobility. Getting ready for your next RV trip? Don't let a heavy, greasy hitch slow you down. The HitchGrip is the smart, hassle-free way to move and attach your ball mount without straining your back or getting your hands dirty. Designed by an RV enthusiast, this innovative tool lets you lift and maneuver your weight distribution hitch with just one hand. Made from lightweight, industrial-strength materials, it features tungsten carbide tips that securely grip the hitch while evenly distributing the load for better stability. With no moving parts, the HitchGrip is built for durability and ease of use, making what was once an awkward, back-breaking task quick, safe, and clean. Just lift, go, and enjoy the journey. We know the pain of dealing with those heavy-duty bolts, but trust us, this Makita 40-volt square drive D-handle impact wrench will handle all the toughest fastening jobs like it's a simple job, with a Makita-built motor delivering an incredible 2,950 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 2,320 foot-pounds of fastening torque. This tool easily outperforms similar models in high-load applications. It features a 6-inch extended anvil to reach deep fasteners and a 4-speed power selection switch, letting you adjust RPM and IPM to match any job. The 3 forward and 3 reverse auto stop modes improve efficiency, while the rubber joint design reduces vibration for smoother operation. Built for the harshest job site conditions, its XPT technology provides extra dust and water resistance. Plus, the LED light ring offers full 360-degree illumination, so you can see clearly in dim spaces. Next up, we have something cool. This is the WRD Handling Cup. This tool helps you in lifting, positioning, and installing glass or sheet metal for every type of car. Designed for auto professionals, this heavy-duty suction cup securely grips smooth surfaces, giving you better control while reducing the risk of slips and damage. Its strong vacuum seal ensures a firm hold, making it perfect for handling windshields, side glass, and even body panels without scratching or dropping them. The ergonomic design allows for a comfortable grip, so you can maneuver parts with confidence. Whether you're working on a windshield replacement or moving large panels, the WRD Handling Cup is a must-have tool for getting the job done quickly, safely, and with less strain. Flat tire on the road? No worries! The AVID Power Tire Inflator is here to inflate your tires in no time. With its auto shut-off function, you can preset your desired pressure, start inflating, and let the pump do the rest. It automatically stops when the job is done, so there's no risk of overinflation. Powered by a rechargeable 20-volt lithium-ion battery or a 12-volt DC adapter, this inflator ensures you're never stuck without power, making it a great emergency tool for road trips. Need fast inflation? It can pump up a 195/60R14 tire in just 3 minutes and a 215/60R16 in 5 minutes, getting you back on the road quickly. Designed for versatility, it works with car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and even pool inflatables. Plus, its ergonomic shape makes it comfortable to hold or set on the ground while inflating. And the built-in LED light keeps things visible in low-light conditions. Need a faster, easier way to bend car body sheets? The KAMATEC Bend It system is a game changer for auto body repairs, making sheet metal bending effortless with its innovative pneumatic impact hammer and specialized slip-on pillows. Instead of struggling with traditional methods, this patented system allows you to bend wheel houses, door leaves, and other car panels in just minutes. The impact hammer drives the sheet into the fold of the pillow, using precise strokes and vibrations to create a smooth, controlled bend. With different pillow profiles and diameters available, you can adjust to various sheet metal shapes for a perfect fit. Whether you're in a repair shop or working on a restoration project, the Bend It system offers a more efficient, cost-effective, and user-friendly solution to shaping car panels with precision. Looking to enhance your 4x4's handling and stability? The JS1 Front Balance Arm is designed to improve suspension performance by reducing body roll during cornering and quick direction changes. By mounting between the wishbone and chassis, it makes the control system more compact and responsive to steering inputs. This upgrade decreases the load difference between the inner and outer wheels in a curve, positively affecting understeer or oversteer tendencies. Compatible with various 4x4 models including Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, and Isuzu D-Max, the JS1 Front Balance Arm is a practical enhancement for better handling and a more stable ride. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the useful hand tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.